Now how I have made over $10,000 and over here 12,000 US dollars, okay, in a week with ClickBank affiliate marketing, digital manifestation product, and Google pay-per-click ads. Now in this short, okay, 6-minute video, I'm going to review to you exactly step by step, exact funnel, quiz funnel I have been using, why I have been using exact quiz funnel, and also why I'm using Google pay-per-click ads in this case. Now, as you can see over here, right, I have had over $2,000 over here in a day, $10,000, $12,000 over here, as you can see, right? So why these kind of results? Let me show you exactly step by step, okay? Now, first of all, let me go here into the funnel so you can see. Now, I'm not going to reveal to you full funnel, but I'm going to show you some of the parts of the funnel so you can understand the psychology of marketing that we are using here with manifestation digital info product on ClickBank. Okay, so we are going after ice cold traffic, meaning people who have never heard of this kind of offer. So as you can see over here, let's say someone land on your funnel over here, they can choose, okay, based from 1 to 10, how much they disagree or agree. Click next. Okay, you see, I believe my thoughts and focus shape what shows up in my life, and they can choose, okay? Okay, and again, next one, as you can see over here. So there are 25 questions, and this works on Meta ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and Google pay-per-click ads. Now, why I love Google? Again, because it's all about buyers' clicks and buyers' intent. Remember, if you have bought courses on ClickBank affiliate marketing before from some gurus and you lost money, it's not your fault. Why? The reason why is because you don't know what you don't know. If they didn't teach you and show you exact methods that they're actually personally using to get results, and you will never be able to get it yourself. Okay, so it's not your fault. Most of the gurus never show you psychology behind funnels, because funnels are not the websites, they are decision-making processes. Each page must be emotionally charged and designed in order to get results. And don't forget, we have male and female audiences. So you cannot use one fits all size funnel for every single one. It won't work. It will not convert. Now, what is actually the secret? Let me show over here. You can see over here, right? Most of your ad budget has been going to people who don't even know they have a problem yet. Okay? There are 5 stages of awareness, market awareness. So it really depends what kind of language patterns you're using and who is your audience. It matters what kind of message the market match you're using, okay? So why we can make $10,000 a day, $10,000 per week with affiliate marketing isn't because we are Einsteins or Elon Musk, no. It's because we understand psychology of markets. We understand criteria of markets. We understand positioning of ads. And all this matters before you even spend a penny, a single dollar on paid traffic. You can see. Let me show you. Okay? You didn't fail. You were just fishing in the wrong pond. You see, over here, you have curiosity clickers. People who are only window shoppers. They are curious to know what's on the other side of that ugly, weird image. But over here, you see we have buyers traffic, buyers blue ocean traffic. You can see in the sea, in the ocean, big whales. And this is what we are after, buyers intent people, buyers intent audiences, okay? Now again, there's a different kind of traffic, okay? People who are already searching for the exact solution that you are selling or promoting right now, today, okay? Because they already know they need it. So that is different type of positioning, market awareness. Now again, you don't have to waste months or years to learn this yourself. All this can be done for you and together with you. All right? And again, without showing your face on camera, you don't have to make any videos. All you need to do is spend 20 to 30 minutes per day running the ad campaigns. Meta ads, Facebook ads, or Google pay-per-click ads in this case. Okay? Without shipping the product, and best of all, you're getting paid daily 90% affiliate commissions. So you can see what happens once you step inside some of our students' results. Okay? We get it done one-on-one, step-by-step over the Zoom call. English is her second language. She's from Europe, from Spain. English is her second language. Okay, she used to work at 9 to 5. Now she quit. She's making over 30,000 euros per month in profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Another person over here, you do it one-on-one. Okay. Now, nobody tells you the real reason 90% of affiliates on ClickBank never makes a sale. Okay, it's not the offer. It's the traffic they were taught to chase. And that's the most important thing. Okay, so now you have a decision. 30 days from now, as you watch this video, you're either still refreshing your ClickBank dashboard, hoping to have $1 or $1,000 online, or you are the one of the smart affiliates. Okay, so if you want to become smart affiliate, smart person who finally figured out where the buyers were hiding, then this is exactly for you. Okay, now if you want to have this kind of results, as you can see now, I don't know what your dream or goal is. Maybe traveling to exotic places, nice luxury destinations, or maybe taking care of your family, maybe your spouse, maybe your parents, maybe your own kids. Okay, then you can do this definitely in 2026, even if you have never made a dime, a single dollar online. Why? Because once you start having results, once you see psychology behind ads, you will finally be able to understand, heck, what I have been missing so many years or months before, wasting time on some BS courses that never deliver, and you start realizing that you can naturally have results. Okay, so all you need is have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way. Now, after watching this YouTube video, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal cell phone number, my email, but you can reach out to me personally, to me, one-on-one, only if you're serious, if you're action taker. Okay, if you're action taker and if you actually want serious results with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2026, because it's all about triggering the dopamine. Okay, dopamine in your ads, in your copy, with the audience that you are promoting, because there are people, buyers out there online spending millions of dollars every single day on advertising. There are people buying those products, weight loss supplements, solar panels, car insurance, manifestation offers, dating offers, gambling offers. So many offers out there. Okay, all you have to do is find one offer, connect, and get it up and running. So let me know if you're serious, if you're action taker, if you want results, connect with me one-on-one.